Hello, my name is Eric Wing, and I'm a senior pre-sales engineer with Inuvita. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to access Open Virtual Desktop using your favorite web browser. Any HTML5 web browser will work. There's no additional plugins or software required. Once you launch your favorite browser, you can go ahead and put the IP address in of the OVD Enterprise Gateway or Session Manager or DNS name. In this case, I'm going to put in demo.inuvita.com. This will take you to the authentication screen. Once here, you can put in your username and password, as well as accept any advanced features. You'll see here that we have two different modes, the portal mode and the desktop mode. I will show you each of these modes in this demo. We'll start with the portal mode. Once you go ahead and type in your username and password, OVD will authenticate you, as well as determine any applications and files that you have access to. It's going to present these to you in a portal view, which primarily consists of two panes. A right pane, which consists of all the files you have access to, which is going to be your user profile, as well as any file shares you have access to. And the left-hand pane, which is going to show you all the applications you have access to. These applications can consist of both Windows and Linux applications, which could be used simultaneously and interchangeably. I'm going to go ahead and launch Word. So I'm going to go down here and select Word 2016. This will go ahead and launch, and I'll create a new document. I'll create a new demo document. This is a demo document. And I'm going to go ahead and save this onto my file share. When I select Save and Browse, you'll see that I have the same access to my applications that was shown to me in the file pane. I have my file share as well as my user profile area. The other links here are just links back into the user profile. I'm going to go ahead and save this in the main directory of the Share 1, and I'll just call this Word Demo number 1, and go ahead and hit Save. Now that I have that document here, if I close out of Word and go back to my file share and refresh the screen, I can see that the document is highlighted here. And if I look at the document's details, it will show me all the applications that are capable of launching this file. I'm going to go ahead and pick FreeOffice TextMaker. This will launch this file in the Linux program FreeOffice TextMaker. So you can see that went ahead and launched, and there's my document. From here, I can continue working on this document, or I could just browse through it for whatever work I need to have done. I'm going to go ahead and close out of here. You can also check my email, if I wanted to go into one of my email clients, such as Thunderbird here, and I could do my email or any other work. I can do more advanced applications as well. We have eDrawings as part of the demo system here. So I go up to eDrawings and select that, and I have a example file in the file share of a C-scooter. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and there is a C-scooter, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the animations for this. So you can see that I can, this is a Windows-based program of a simple CAD program that I'm going to go ahead and run and take a look at this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this and disconnect and show you the desktop view. The desktop mode can support both a Linux desktop and a Windows desktop. I have two different users set up, one configured for each desktop type. I'm going to show you user number 3 here, which is set up with the Linux desktop. The OVD is going through the same process here again to determine what applications I have access to, as well as any files I have access to, only this time it's going to present it to me as a Linux desktop. You can see all the application shortcuts are here on the desktop screen, as well as in the Start menu. I have all my applications here as well. From here, I can go ahead and launch my application. So if I wanted to run Word, I could go ahead and do that. And if I wanted to open up that document that I created earlier, I could just go to the file share and select that document and go ahead and open it. And I could go ahead and continue editing this document. I can still go ahead and launch Linux programs. So if I wanted to run Blender, which is a Linux graphic editor, I can do that, or launch any of the other applications. Again, I'm not limited in any way. I can go ahead and look at these however I'd like. Let me go ahead and I will disconnect from here, and I will show you a Windows desktop. So I'm going to log in as user 4 this time. And this user is configured with the Windows desktop. So it's going to be similar to user 3, only this time I'm going to be presented with a Windows desktop. All the applications I have access to are going to go ahead and show on the screen here, as well as in the Windows menu. If I wanted to take a look at that, I can do it either way. The run the applications, I can go ahead and click on them here or from the start menu, and the applications will run. And I'm not limited to just Windows applications. I can continue to run Linux applications if I want to as well. So if I wanted to go ahead and run Blender again, like I did in the last session, I can do that, and it will go ahead and load. OVD can support both Linux and Windows applications interchangeably, as you can see. And I can present my users with any experience that they would like, from a simple portal view to a full Linux or Windows desktop as well. I hope this demo has been helpful for you, and feel free to visit our website at www.inuvica.com with any other questions you may have. Thank you.